the last video we have seen how to develop this questionnaire with the help of Excel file, and then how we can able to upload this into this XLS form online and everything. In this video we are going to upload, and we are going to upload this form into this ODK test project, and we can able to see that in the mobile application. So first of all, we have uploaded and validated this form. This is saying form is val. Then we can go to this our application, that is URL, and then once you click on this new form, you can choose the file. So I'm choosing this sample file. That name has been displayed over here, and once you click on upload button, so the file has been uploaded and it is asking for the publish draft or preview, those kind of things. So for this I am going to publish the draft. So it is saying that tested this form by uploading a test submission. You do not have to do this, but it is highly recommended, because once you test this application, whether it is working or not, you need to test it. If it is not, like, it is a test project, so I'm just going for the directly I'm just proceeding for the uploading this file, publishing this draft. So once I publish this application, we can able to see what version it is there and how many submissions are there and what is the version name that we have given. So for this draft we don't have any versions, that is saying blank. In the next versions, like if any changes are occurred, we can able to make changes to this XLX file, and then we can upload it on the same form definition. We will be having versions. The submissions, whatever the submissions that are done by the user can be uploaded over here, and then we can able to see those things. So for now we don't have any user, so we are going to create the user in the next video. Thank you.